This could be seen as a brief, succinct summary of my work. We could call this the 5 steps. They are the 5 steps to overcome the anguish of human existence arising from our inability, our misprocessing, to know, capital K, in our hearts that we have a soul, that we are loved, because we are beloved by our mothers, and maybe to say, and then by all as her. Right? And these can be summarized as the 5 Asians to liberation. The 5 Asians to liberation. And the first Asian is aspiration, which I've talked about many, many times before. And perhaps I would summarize it here as being to reach up from the heart to the more, capital M, to the love. To reach up from the heart to the more, to the love. That's the first Asian. The second Asian is dedication. And this is usually defined as, for example, to set apart for a deity or for a religious purpose. To set apart for a special use. To commit oneself. To be wholly committed. It comes from the Indo-European root D-E-I-K, which gave rise to dicari, to proclaim, also to words like diction, dictation, and so forth. But the original meaning was to pronounce solemnly. To pronounce solemnly. And it's like there is a special purpose behind the pronouncing. It's not just talking, it's special purpose behind it, which is, as it were, the setting apart for a religious purpose. See? So, how I'm defining dedication, our second Asian, is to wholly commit oneself to the highest purpose, which is to know and live the love. So aspiration is the reaching up. Dedication is the, as it were, the wholehearted commitment to constantly be in the state of aspiration. Right? Then 3, the third Asian is undonation, which I've recently talked about at some length. I'll just summarize. Which is, I describe as being undulated, that's lapped and rocked by the swell, by the ever-pulsating oceanic feeling of the mother of comfort, the mother of love. See, it's all water. Undine was the water spirit, the mother of water. We're born, we are created in water. We live in water. So much of us is water. And the fourth Asian is jubilation, being lullabied by the mother of bliss, of spiritual joy, the mother of love. And we will, I hope, burst into spontaneous, exaltatory jubilation when we at last know in our hearts the mother of love, the mother of bliss, the mother of spiritual joy. And the fifth Asian is our old friend, cantillation. Life as a song of love for this love. You see? So that's the best summary I can give of my work. The 5 Asians to liberation. Aspiration, dedication, undonation, jubilation, to arrive at last at cantillation. Life as a song of love for the love. That's, I hope, the essence of my work.